pricey over here. Oh, I got a technique that works a little better. I'm sliding on the other side. Oh, it's getting slippery. I'm actually not putting effort into it. That's right. Don't worry. Everywhere you go, there's puffs of snow that's going it out. If you hit that, you pick up speed for a minute. Right there. Yeah. And then from there down is
Smile!
I tried. Barb made it all the way to there.
Yeah, I'm thinking of getting down again.
Go ahead, get down.
Plan.
There you go. Let's see something fun. She's gonna end up running right into me.
Yeah. Oh, she's getting close. Yep, getting closer. Yep, getting closer. Damn, I should...
Once I get a big enough snowball here, it's not bad. If by not bad, you don't mind corn snow up your woohoos.
I never get corn snow up my woohoo.
Yes, I don't have that problem.
Please explain.
We're going to file this under videos my mom never needs to see.
Come on.
Oh, really? It's not that dangerous. If you're doing 60, that would be something. That's good. Figures I'd stop in a spot where I actually have to kick in just to walk across.
Just to get across.